We'll learn how to create easily fake data with Python in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So for the very first step is you will click on the file which is on the top left side. You will click on this new, okay? And here in the search bar you will write Python. Press enter key and you will find random data generator file, okay? So let's click on it and let's create. So it will open this template. This template requires an active Microsoft 365 subscription. Okay. So we have some fields here and how many number of rows you want to create a fake data. So let's say if I want to add country, company, job and email. So this will refresh and that will create some random fake data. Now you have a limit. You have a limit of rows, number of rows here. So it says that input a whole number between 1 to 1000 records. So for example, if I try for 999 records and that will refresh again and that will fetch some more records like this. But if I want more than 1000, so what you can do is you can just edit the data validation. So that's very easy. Go to data tab, click on data validation and from here you can either clear this rule if you want to make like more than 1000 records, like 10,000 or 20,000 even. But you can increase that the label here. For example, let me write 10,000 here. Let's click OK. And now I can write here 5,000 records. I need randomly. So it will generate this fake data. So now you can see that, okay, number of records here. And also what you can do is there is a coding behind it. You can right click and click on unhide and there is a sheet called imports and functions. Okay, the code here is here, this. Okay, so you can see that as well. So I hope you like this video and that how you can create a random data very easily with Python in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.